me trabé yo y se trabó esto. Hi teacher, my last vacations were very fun and full of accident adventures. First, I went to the beach in Puerto Vallarta. We arrived on Monday. The next day, the food thing, I really miss it baking in front of the races. In the afternoon, I ate some delicious shrimp and lemonade. After eating, we went to the sea for a while more. After that, went to visit the Malecon, that is in the city. That day, I meet a very pretty woman. I only saw her once and never saw her again. We were on more day in Puerto Vallarta. We say goodbye to the city.